Hi, I'm Fajar. I'm from Visual Communication Design student from Universitas Negeri Makassar.
Hi, I'm Chacha. I'm from University of Indonesia, majoring in English Studies, and I'm from Jakarta, Kohar.
Hi, my name is Delvin Theodorus. I'm from Institute Technology School November and I'm right now majoring at Chemical Engineering. I'm from XL Future Leaders Batch 9 from Cohort Surabaya.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Dafaidi Stira and I'm currently a part of XL Future Leaders program Batch 9 Bandung Cohort.
Hello, my name is Afina. I study Bioprocess Engineering at University of Indonesia.
And I am Stephen. I study Industrial Engineering in University of Arizona and the Sakura University.
Hi everyone, my name is Sultan Melania Rahmadi. I am XL Future Awardee Batch 9 and I'm sitting here representing Group 1 from Jakarta Cohort.
Hello, my name is Izzuddin. I'm from Mathematics Shorterview Islamic University. Since I came from Makassar Cohort, we came from diverse major and diverse university. We came from NTT, we came from Central Sulawesi, Southeast Sulawesi. So the major is come from management and then visual communication design, architecture, and communication mostly.
So my team comes from various majors such as law, industrial and environmental engineering, English studies, medicine, accountancy, and also economics and business.
It has a really diverse major from like IT related like information system and also business management, laws and also Chinese literature. And I believe this kind of experience really helped us to create more diverse perspective.
Well, my team, BUTech, have a very diverse background. From me personally, history, and starting from people from management, IT, biomedical engineering, microbiology, industrial engineering, law, and sociology. Hopefully, with this diverse background, we can see the problem in a holistic way.
Our team consists of various backgrounds, including management, international relations, political studies.
And we also have law and civil engineering students such as electrical engineering and mechanical engineering.
My team is actually very diverse. There are others coming from industrial engineering, electrical engineering, management, business, agricultural business, and as for myself, I'm coming from political and government science.
Our team comes from public health, English literature, engineering, information technology, and mathematics. We found out that there are a lot of roles in supermarket and department store that have good and bad traffic. So we're trying to find out how to manage it well.
And we see the effective work of workers who have to manually check or monitor electricity and water usage. So they have to go back and forth to every house to check the meters, which also causes cost and energy inefficiency. We also see that the model is also holistic, so there's still room for Excel to tap into the market.
So our problem is based on Indonesia geographical that located in the Ring of Fire. We understand that the Ring of Fire influenced how Indonesia volcanic and tectonic activity. Compared to other countries, Indonesia has really often volcanic eruptions and also earthquake activity. And this makes us think that we want to create a solution that based on evacuation integration system.
We have identified there is an ongoing problem for beauty product user, especially skincare, where they will take a lot of time to find the right skincare regimen. Sometimes they have to try over and over again only to find which one is the best for their skin condition. And also, on the other side, there is a new trend within the beauty industries where they will produce a customized skincare for each type of skin. Therefore, we are trying to find the best or the most suitable skincare for skincare user by connecting them to customized beauty product.
So the background of our idea is that currently Indonesian coffee farmers still rely on manual processes to sort coffee beans, both in the green coffee bean stage and as roasted coffee beans. So our solution to that problem is that we're developing an automated 2-in-1 coffee bean sorter that can sort coffee beans at both stages.
And to do that, we use two kinds of technology, which is AI and IoT. In the IoT part, we use a sensor camera to detect and take picture of the coffee beans that are being sorted. And from the AI part, that pictures that we get is being analyzed and see whether the feature fits the quality of the coffee beans that we want.
During the discussion, our team found out that there are two major problems regarding the parking systems in Indonesia. The first one is that there are actually so many parking management companies who profit less than 5% of their total revenue due to several costs, including the operational, human research, and as well as the amortizations that supposedly take up 60 to 70% of the total revenue. And the second one is that there are ongoing unhealthy and also very tight competitions and managements that requires and also involve the third parties such as gangsters that's also supposedly take up 98 to 99% of the total revenue. So that's basically why our team come up with the solutions to create and provide an IoT or artificial intelligence of things that we combine it with SaaS or software as a service, where we basically provide the parking management systems for our clients so that our clients can monitor the public spots, like for example whether they're available or not, and also so many other benefits that come into our projects.
According to the Central Bureau of Statistics, Indonesia has more 143 million motor vehicles, and in Jakarta itself, we have more than 21 million motor vehicles. And in 2017, according to a survey from rating apps, Jakartans spend for more than 68 minutes stuck in the traffic jam. Therefore, license plate recognition want to provide behavioral analysis to see the pattern what causes the traffic jam. We hope that we can collaborate with XCAM to create an AI CCTV that could track road traffic and generate the further recommendations for supermarket and department stores owner.
So we aim to build a hardware in the form of camera that is integrated with a digital dashboard that can track the real-time usage and also generate reports of electricity and water usage of corporates and also households. And we also expect that we can work closely with the XL team, and hopefully we can become a bridge between KLN or PDAM and households and corporates, and give them the easy accessibility and control of their electricity and water usage.
So I hopefully so that in the near future, this will become the base idea that can be developed into a more greater evacuation integration system that can be used by the government institutes such as the BPBN, Badan Penanggulangan Bencana Nasional. And I hopefully that Indonesia can be like Japan, that has a really effective evacuation system as well.
I hope my team can create a fruitful collaboration between XCAM and IMDB, whilst also creating a very practical solution.
So our expectation is that the solution that we provide here can really solve the real problem in the field, and that it can be affordable for all the farmers in Indonesia, so it can spread over the nation and solve the problems of the coffee farmers in our country.
Okay, we surely expect that this project is going to work and can actually be utilized by people throughout Indonesia, because by using our service, our clients are going to get three benefits. The first one is that they're going to get notifications regarding which parking spots that are available or not, and then they're also going to get notifications regarding who are hacking the systems, who are trying to not pay for the park, for example, those kind of things. And then the third one, they're also going to get summary of like the potential revenue they're going to get regarding the peak hours and those kind of things. So everyone, with that, we're also going to promote our project through online and social media platforms. We're also going to create a partnership with public and also private sectors. With public sectors, we are going to have a partnership with our government, and with public sectors, we're going to get a partnership with security, with customer security systems. So without any further ado, let's give a lot of support to our project Part, where your vehicle stay.
Based on the existing and available traffic management in Indonesia, we want to provide the license plate recognition that can be used via the camera surveillance that can detect license plate in every vehicle, and then later it can be in the computer and our model that can generate insights and also behavioral analysis to see the pattern. And in the future, we want to provide a model that can generate insights and also behavioral pattern that can be used as a data-driven decision making for tackling and also preventing the traffic jam in the future.